Hi, this is Neil at Italia Autos. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on an Alfa GTV or Spider. It's exactly the same throughout the whole range. This is a phase 3, but it's no different to a phase 1 when it comes to removing and refitting. So I'm going to start by removing the screws which hold the bumper in on the left and the right. There's 2 on the left and 2 on the right, and then 2 connections on the top of the bumper. Okay, the first one to undo is on the side here. There is normally a screw on the bottom here, but that is missing. There is also one on the top here holding the cover to the bumper. Again, one there and one underneath, but that's missing and that's missing. In front of each headlight you do have another connection. That's a H10 Allen key, and let's get those removed. The bumper should be ready to come off. There is also a washer in here that you need to pull out as well. You don't want to lose that. And also just check on the underside of the bumper, because if there's an under tray on there, there will be some bolts holding it on there as well. So now the bumper's all free, just give it a pull from each side and start levering it forward slightly. Okay, now the bumper's free. There is just one more connection to undo, which is the electrical connection on the top right hand side of the bumper. And there you go, that's how to remove a front bumper from an Alfa GTV. Please comment below if you have any questions, and also please like and subscribe to my video. Also, if you find this video useful, please share it. Thank you.